Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a short review on the 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro. As you can tell, it's in space gray right here. Now Apple's version of space gray is different on every product, from the iPhone to the iPad to the Macs. They're all different. I'm not sure why Apple does that, but that's just how it is. So I guess we better get used to it. So go ahead and open her up. Here you go, right here. 2017 MacBook Pro. This is a 15-inch display right here. And right here you got the touch bar, your brightness, your touchpad. Now for 2017, this thing is massive. I mean, as you can see, it's a pretty big one. And then right here, got your brightness, volume, and then over here you have your Touch ID right here. That way you don't have to enter a password. You just use your thumbprint or fingerprint. And depending what app you're in while using the MacBook, this right here is going to change. So this isn't always going to be the same right here. It's always going to end up changing depending on the app that you're in. The speakers on this thing are amazing. I would show you guys, but there's not going to do any justice. It gets very loud. Then underneath here, there's two big fans that help cool this massive MacBook down pretty easily. Now the screen is massive. It is a 500 nit Retina display. It produces 25% more colors than previous MacBooks. It has a 10-hour battery, Touch ID, and then on the side you get, which a lot of people hate this, you got a Thunderbolt here, Thunderbolt there, headphone jack, surprisingly still has it. And on the other side, you get Thunderbolt, that's it. That's what you get. So what these do is they charge the MacBook. They can charge other devices. Going out, you can connect an adapter if you want to plug in an Ethernet cord or an HDMI cord. You can actually purchase an adapter from Apple, which is very expensive. This MacBook right here will run you about, I believe it's $2,800, and that does not include taxes. So yeah, it will run you about $2,800. And the 13-inch, remember this is the 15-inch. The 13-inch will run you, I believe $400 less. So around $2,300, somewhere around there. We'll get you the 13-inch, and yeah, you can. The 13-inch will also come with the touch bar right here and Touch ID. Pretty much everything. The only difference is the display size. This is 15-inch, and the other one is a 13-inch, which runs, like I said, about $400 less. And this thing's relatively thin, I gotta say. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty thin for this being so massive. I mean, it is very beautiful. The quality that's made out of is, like I said, Apple quality. It feels very good. This thing is totally worth buying. If you have the money, purchase the heck out of it. That's what I gotta say. Because this thing is pretty awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.